welcome back. I'm Daniel and today we're going to make this great looking Art Deco box. Inspired by a building that we saw down Clifton Hill. Great looking Art Deco building. And what a great box. It has 2 drawers, the covenant journey, and we'll make this great looking box right now guys. Hey guys, I think I found the inspiration to my next box. The Art Deco style building. Have a look at that guys, what a great building. Okay guys, we've started. We've made 2 little boxes. I just got to put a back in them now and they're finished. I'm going to have a red timber jarrah and then a light timber Ockham and a darkish timber spotted gum. And that's bloody hard stuff, the spotted gum. Heavy. Okay guys, just putting it through the thicknesser now. There goes the jarrah through the thicknesser. Great timber that jarrah, look at the red. I love it. And here's the Ockham going through the thicknesser. And just cutting into length now on the saw. Be careful Dan. There you go. Okay guys, I've got all the fins cut to height and to width. They come out good, didn't they? Look at that. So they decrease by 25mm in the height and 15mm in the width. And I've got the 2 boxes on the side which can be drawers. Yeah, I just got to make up my mind whether I'm going to round the tops I'll be at, which I think I will, and then glue them all together. And that'll be the fin done. This box is going fairly quick guys. Okay, on the bandsaw now, just cutting a little round on top. Do it in a couple of passes because I've got a very thick blade on there. And just sanding it up on the sander. I think that's my second favourite machine actually, the sander. I like it a lot. And rounding it over with a small router. And there it is. All the fins all together, see they're all various thicknesses and sizes. And now gluing them up. And I put them together just to hold them before I put the clamps on, otherwise you won't get them level with. Just a couple of pins here or there, you don't see them. And putting them in the clamps now. And just check and make sure there's no gaps. Okay guys, I've got the fin in the clamps, as you see. I pinned it together with a pin gun just to hold the pieces before I clamp them. And you notice I didn't put too much glue on the edges. So it won't ooze out. It'd be pretty hard to clean up if it all oozed out. So yeah, so that's done now. We're going to make the drawers. I think I'll make them out of Fijian kauri, I think. With a ply bottom, I think. Just buzzing up the Fijian kauri. I've got a whole heap of this stuff, so that's what I'm using it. It's pretty good timber. I like it a lot. And putting drawers together. Okay guys, another beautiful day in the shop, isn't it? Where would you rather be? Here or at work? I'd rather be here. Our fin, look at that. Let's see what we've got here, hey? Let's see what we've got. Centre fin, come up. Good. And I put some Ockham on the back of the boxes. So they're just backs. It's going to go like that. It's going to go like that. The next trick is to do the drawer fronts and the ends and the top. And we're just about there. Then put them all together. Guys, I've cut the drawer fronts and I've put a small round on them. They're going to go on there. Now I left the gap all the way around. Okay. And then just line it up. Putting it through the thickness there again, planing it down. These are the tops. And putting a round on it with a small router. And cutting the miter. Right, you see how I've cramped the box down, but I'm fitting the end wings now. I put the drawer handles on as fins, and they come up well, and that should do it. I'll just glue this wing on now, and then I'll let it dry for a while and then turn it over. Just spraying it now. Come on, great, isn't it? Look at that jar, it just pops. Look, we're finished. The Art Deco box. What a great looking box, guys. With the centre fin. The standard fin just makes it, doesn't it? Inspired by a building down in Clifton Hill. 2 drawers. Okay, guys, thanks for joining me today. I'm not going to say the box pops, but you know, it pops. Please subscribe and ring the bell. And please join me in the next video where we'll be making another box, guys. See ya.